up, everybody? I'm your host, Keano Mestre. You are listening to DealBox Daily, the latest on everything fintech, private placements, alternate investments, and more. Let's get straight into today's episode. Germany's finance chief proposed a Marshall Plan to help Ukraine rebuild when the war ends. As European leaders prepare to meet with U.S. President Joe Biden in Brussels this week to discuss the crisis spawned by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Italy wants Ukraine in the European Union. Zelensky has called for Ukraine to be allowed to join the bloc, although the process can take many years. Google has said that it has suspended all advertising in Russia after the country's internet regulatory demanded that the company stop showing what is considered ads displaying false information about Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Google said it took a rare step of pausing its advertising business in the country, including search, YouTube, and display marketing. The move came a few days after the company suspended advertising of content produced by Russian state media. With the mission focusing on making crypto and decentralized finance mainstream and giving users a front seat to everything DeFi, Frontier, an intuitive DeFi, crypto, and NFT wallet, now supports the Tezos blockchain network alongside 14 other blockchains. Frontier users can now store, send, and receive Tezos native FA tokens using the Frontier app. The bonds market, most reliable measure of the U.S. economy outlook for the past half century, is hurtling towards inversion at a faster pace than it has in recent decades, raising fresh worry about the economy's prospects as the Federal Reserve begins to consider aggressively hiking interest rates. 2 years after COVID drove the economy into a spiraling downturn, jobs across the U.S. have roared back. Prices are climbing at their highest pace in decades. The labor market is so strong that millions of workers are leaving their jobs and what's been named the Great Resignation. Not so much in New York City. At 7.6%, the city's unemployment is among the worst of major cities. Since becoming mayor in January, Eric Adams has been pleading for firms to bring workers back to the office. You've listened to another episode of DealBox Daily. For more information on DealBox, we invite our listeners to visit us at dlbx.io. There you can subscribe to our newsletter and gain valuable information on our suite of products and services for entrepreneurs and investors.